Happy New Year! Resolution season is here. Don't be part of the majority that quits. Hi, I'm Jenn Christman, Senior Manager of Nutrition and Wellness, and I have over 20 years of clinical experience. I love helping people build a healthy lifestyle so they can crush their goals instead of becoming another statistic. Everyone looks ahead to the new year with a fresh perspective, renewed energy, but the reality is that most people drop their New Year's resolutions by the second Friday of January, and only 8% actually make it to February. Yep, it even has a name. It's called Quitter's Day. Do you know why the number one reason most resolutions fade? Trying to change everything overnight. So things like go to the gym 5 days a week, cutting out all the sugar, starting a strict diet, waking up at 4 a.m., flip a switch and become a brand new person instantly. It's really unrealistic. It's overwhelming. And when everything feels hard, nothing sticks. That's why so many people fall off the bandwagon halfway through January. Does this sound familiar? But here's the good news. Real sustainable change doesn't come from an overnight overhaul. It starts with one micro habit, one thing so small, you have no excuse not to repeat it day in and day out. It moves the needle without burning you out. And the most impactful place to begin, of course, nutrition. As a registered dietitian who's seen countless success stories, I believe nutrition is the foundation for everything. Your energy, your focus, your mood, your motivation. When your meals are balanced with the right mix of protein, fiber, and nutrients, your cravings just really seem to calm down. You feel more in control of your day instead of your day controlling you. And when you're not battling those cravings or energy crashes, it becomes so much easier to build other habits like moving more, sleeping better, and staying consistent. And this is how our comprehensive metabolic health system is designed. For the first 3 weeks of our program, our coaches guide clients to stay focused solely on nutrition, helping them build stability, routine, and confidence in their eating habits without the overwhelm. And here's the unique part. Our clinically proven plan is comprised of simple, science-backed meal replacements paired with healthy, whole food, lean and green meals designed to put the body into a strong and targeted fat burn. Once that foundation is built, coaches help clients add movement and other habits that fits their real life, their schedule, their energy, their goals. Not punishment, not a giant overhaul, just smart, doable steps that build on the progress they've already created. That's the power of structured nutrition. That's the power of support. That's the power of starting with the right habit. So if your resolution is to lose weight, or even better, build metabolic health, and if you see that starts to slip this month, hear this. You're not behind. You didn't fail. You just need a better, slower place to start. First, give yourself grace. Then start with the habit that makes every other habit easier. Start with nutrition and let a coach guide you the rest of the way. Quitter's Day doesn't stand a chance when you have a real plan and real support.